Hi, and thanks for tuning in. This is Mike, and I'm going to show you how to register a domain name and set up a hosting account on Borg.digital. So what we're going to do, and the most difficult part of this process, is to discover a domain that you like that's actually available. And I'm a fan of using search terms in the domain names that I'm purchasing when I set up businesses that I want to appear on Google. So let's pretend that we've got a dog grooming service, and let's call it something like Dog Clean Sparkles. Okay, I know it's not very interesting. I'm just making up something that's very likely to be available so I can show you this demo. So I'm going to click on the search button now on this page, and it says congratulations, that domain is available. Now what you'll see if you look further down, that there's also suggestions here, and there's some really good suggestions normally. Okay, so it's worth having a look at those. Let me make an example. So dog clean, okay, dogclean.com, that's probably not available. As you can see, it's not, but there's some related suggestions here, and I love these. Some of these are great, like petclean.net. That's quite cool. Anyway, so once you've chosen a domain that you like, click the add to cart button, which is there, and you'll see that's now changed into a checkout button, which you can click, and then you'll get the configuration. So essentially at this stage we have only picked a domain name, and you can continue to through the checkout process if you do not want a hosting account, or you can choose now to include a hosting account to go with your domain name purchase. So if you do want to include a hosting account, click on the web hosting on the top left, and I suppose at this stage you need to decide whether you want to be a reseller and start selling your hosting accounts to other people, or whether you just want a single managed hosting account for your own business. So let's just go with that option for managed web hosting. Okay, and it'll now give you the option to use this domain that you've just added to your shopping cart for your hosting account. They connect together. So let's do that and click use. There are some options you can choose for your web hosting. So we do managed WordPress for you, which you can include. We can do website monitoring for £1, and if you have any migration that you need to be done from another web server, we can also do that for you, and that's free. So once you've chosen your options, click continue. You will now see a total, which includes your hosting account for your first month and your domain name for a year. You can continue with the checkout now, and then you should complete the registration form, and finally double check the terms and conditions, and once you've agreed those, you can click on complete order, and at that point you will see the checkout page hosted by GoCardless, which is for setting up your direct debit mandate. So once you've done that, you'll have a hosting account set up instantly. In fact, we'll install that for you before the payment even clears from your hosting from your bank account. It'll be an immediate activation. And so if you are then interested in setting up WordPress or something like that, have a look at my videos, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.